Today I'm going to be looking at the laserlite made by True Utility. It was £6.30. When I ordered it, the image of it was in a plastic container, which was usable and waterproof, and I think it also had extra batteries, so 6 in total. But this is what I received instead. So I got a free keyring, and you can see the Utility branding on the keyring. And True Utility make other items as well, pocketable items too. The reason I got this one is mainly because of the laser, not the flashlight, because it's only 8 lumens. So looking at the features, it has a satin black coated brass body. It's EU certified class 2 red laser, so it has a danger warning on the body of the laser itself, not to shine in people's eyes, and of course 8 lumen. It's a 50-hour run time. It has a pin pocket clip and a keyring spinner, whatever that means. Okay. So this is the laser out of the packaging, and I thought it'd be a bit heavy because of the brass, but it's actually quite light. And just there's some extra information here. Its max output is 1 MW, and the wavelength is 650 nm, and it's a class, as I was saying earlier, it's a class 2 laser. Okay, so it takes 3 LR44 batteries, and the thing with this laser is you have to keep it held down. You can't really keep it locked in the button, so that's one of the downsides of it. And the other, that's the LED, and it's just 8 lumens. There's the clip, and this must be what it means by spinning thing. It goes quite far. It goes from, it's the laser, it goes from one, it easily goes from I think 2 large rooms from one side to completely to the other side, I'd say. So it's a decent laser. It's excellent for teaching, and if you want to annoy your cat, keep your cat occupied. The clip is feels quite sturdy. Yeah, it's really cool. I'm glad I bought this. So it's 7.5 centimeters long and about just under a centimeter widthwise, and the clip is removable. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the True Utility laserlite. Take care, bye.